This is my drawing of Dark Sonic, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. We'll begin today's lesson in the center page with an oval for the nose. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, go all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small circle along the top of the nose for a highlight, and we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now let's go to the side of the nose and draw the top edge of the muzzle. So we're going to start on the left side, bend this down, and then out. Let's round out the cheeks and then pull that back in. Now I'm just going to close out the bottom of the chin with the curve, coming down towards the bottom and then bend that back up towards the right. Now I'm going to shift the mouth over towards the right. So I'm going to start right in the middle. It's going to bend this across and up, curl the mouth, coming around, and just tuck that in underneath. And then we'll add some jagged teeth, starting from the outside on the right, coming down, up, and then back in. Let's go back to the top of the nose. We're going to split the brow with a straight line going up. Now let's draw the top edge of the brow, starting with the left side. From the left side of the nose, we're going to bend this out and then up. Do the exact same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round up the eye, come around the side, and then bend that in on top of the cheek. Let's add a fold across the top of the brow. Starting on the outside, we're going to go up, follow that curve, coming in, and then down, and do the exact same thing on the right. Let's go back to the bottom of the cheeks. We're going to add a fold, going out and then up, going around the eyes. Let's go back up to the top and draw in those ears. From the side of the brow, we're going to leave a gap, then it's up and in towards the top of the ear, then it's in and then down on the inside. And then we're just going to line that up on the right. Now let's trace the ears along the inside, starting with the sides going up and then down, and then close off the bottom with a curve. Let's draw in that center spike. We're going to start from the inside left ear, bend this up and then in towards the middle, go across and then bend that down towards the right ear. Let's go to the side. We're going to add those first set of spikes, starting from the outside of the ear on the left, then it's out and then up towards the top. I'm just going to curve this around the side and then bend that in towards the side of the head. Let's add the bottom set of spikes, starting back on the left, curls around and then bend that up. Now we're going to bend this down and just tuck that up underneath the head. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw that patch in the center of the body. We start underneath the chin, we draw an oval. We're going to go a little bit narrower across the bottom and then back up towards the top. Let's move out to the side, draw the side of the body. Bend this out and then in towards the hips. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the arms stretched out towards the side. Start from the top of the body, bend this down, and then out. Let's round out the edge of the cuff, going in and then down toward the bottom of the arm. And we'll bend that back up towards the side of the body. Let's add a thick cuff along the outside. Just going to round this out, come down towards the hand, and just curve to the bottom. Now I'm going to go to the top of the cuff. We're going to round out the thumb. We're going to go up, come around towards the bottom, and just curl that back up towards the top. Let's go to the bottom of the cuff. We're going to draw that first finger, coming all the way around, close in towards the thumb, and just curl that back out. And then we're going to layer two more fingers in behind, starting up here, curl this around, and then in towards the thumb, and we'll add one more. Now from the hips, we're going to step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg going out and then down toward the bottom. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the legs. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips, we're going to curve the leg going out and then down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the right side. We're going to add the tail, going up, and curl that back in. Now we want to add those thick cuffs around the ankles. So from the bottom corners of the leg, we're going to step up, we're going to add a bracket. Coming around and in. And I'll draw the bottom of the cuff, so we're going to step out to create a fold, and just tuck that in underneath. Let's go to the inside of the cuff, curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Start with the left side, coming down and then out. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up and then in towards the outside of the cuff. We're also going to add a thick trim across the bottom. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And then we'll add that thick stripe across the top of the foot, starting from the edge of the cuff, coming in and then down towards the bottom. Step over and draw that again. Now we're going to go back up to the top. We're going to draw those two spikes coming up from the back of the body, starting underneath the arm. It's out and then down on both sides. I just want to tuck that in towards the side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Dark Sonic. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.